Hi! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Pero ito na nga, magbabawi muna kami ng mga kautangan. Sa 18, sisimulan namin ito by reacting to Philips. I think we had Stel and Pablo. Ngayon naman kay Philip tayo. Sa kanyang movie.
Wait, ulitin mo, Bes. Parang hindi pa na-record yun ng maganda. Go! Sige na, huwag ka na ma-arts. Go! Ready!
Good evening everyone. Mag-react po kami ngayon.
May pabasa.
Pero yun nga, mag-react muna kami kay Philip sa rendition niya ng Moving Closer. Sabi nga ni Harry, ito ay sikat na sikat sa Colgate. Charot lang, close up po ito sumikat. Pero I think it's us seeing Ken in a different angle. Mm-hmm. Kasi kumbaga, we usually see Ken sa mga solos niya na parang very underground. Yung mga but I think Moving Closer to all of us who, I mean, especially sa generation natin na talagang pinasikat ito ni Close Up, very parang inch by
inch we're moving closer.
Gusto ko yung kulot mo doon.
Hindi, parang, wait, ganito ha. Parang, syempre, di ba, parang, it's a fantasy to see a boy like Ken, a fine young man, astig, lalaking-lalaki, sing a song like this, like Moving Closer. So, yun lang inaabang ako.
Alam mo, haranan niya to sa akin.
Ay, hindi ka mag-a-assume.
Eto na nga, mag-react muna kami. So,
sa recorded version.
Nakakabili nung ganon! Yun yung mga songbook natin nung high school mo.
May pambili ka noon? Or nagpapaprint ka lang sa computer shop?
Hindi, ninanakaw ko yung sa katabi ko.
In fairness sa amin, sa batch namin, mababait. Parang pag may, ano yung tawag nga doon? Songbook ba tawag doon? Hindi, umiikot siya, Day.
Umiikot naman, pero ang eksena...
Pero, nasa kalagitnaan ka pala ng pag-awit sa sarili mo. Akin na! Hihiram pa si ganito. Ay!
Ang eksena naman namin nung high school ay, I don't know if it's the same, pero meron akong mga kaklase talagang nagbabanda. So, may dadalang gitara, tapos alam mo
kasi may panotang, ano doon eh.
What do you mean nota?
Yung mga guitar,
guitar chords.
Oo.
Hindi mo kami papakabahin na. Pero yun, kumbaga meron nga tayong mga eksena, uy, wala si ma'am, uy, labas niya yung gitara. Tapos, nakakanta na. May mga kaklase akong lumaban ng Battle of the Bands. Natalo din sila. Never ko silang na-recall na nanalo.
Daming sinabi sa 1 second.
But this is a very 90s, I think. True. Or early 2000 thing.
Talaga, hindi ko kasi na-experience yun eh.
Gen Z naman pala. Okay.
Pagkatapos magkwento, no?
Hindi ko alam ba't may gano'n.
And the Polaroid, oh?
Yes.
When you smile, everything's in place. I've waited so long, can make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you.
Imaginein mo to, Tay.
I can't be scared, gotta make
ay nasa loob ka na, alas 8 na, syempre. Ano to ang setup nito ay very circa 2009, 2010. Syempre, nasa bahay ka na. Ang pasok ko kasi noon ay 6 to 3. So, mga 6 a.m.? Public school kasi kami. Bakit 2000? Tapos eto, te. Pinatulog ka na naman. Tulog na alas 8. Tapos may kakatok sa inyo.
Ganyan.
All I am reaching out to you. Tapos tinamamas ko po.
Pero alam mo, Bes, sa amin kasi nung high school kami, Catholic school kasi kami, may pag-foundation day sa amin, yung mga third year, gumagawa sila ng dedication booth. So,
wala kayong kissing booth?
Walang kissing. Bawal, Catholic nga. Na-high blood yung mga madre doon. So, pag nagpa-dedication booth at dinedicate sa'yo yung kantang to, tapos ito yung tumunog sa buong campus nyo, kikiligin ka kahit nasa ang campus ka.
Oo, tapos boses ni Ken yung madidinig mo, no?
Pero grabe, no? Parang siguro, let's just imagine that Philip was the one singing this nung nirelease yung commercial ng close-up noon. Patok pa din talaga
Ang ganda din ng rendition nila, napakalamig ng boses.
I think no one can defeat the original. Laging, yun yung sinasabi ko, that is based on respect. Kaya naaasar ako dun sa may magko-comment na mas maganda yung version niya or no, we cannot compete with the original singer, 'di ba lagi? But, if Philip could have sang this, I mean, years ago, papatok pa din talaga siya. I mean,
while we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And then take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you.
Na syempre ako sa bahay pag kinakatid. Ano ba? Bakit ganyan? Tigil mo na yan. Stop! Uy, nakakahiya.
Alam mo naman ako kapag nung kapanahon na natin ako si Philip talagang original. Sasabihin ko talaga sa mga kamag-anak ko, walang maingay kasi sa mix channel ba. Alam mo, ito lang sasabihin ko sa mga Gen Z. Ito lang
nakakaloka dun may mix kayo.
Oy, grabe. Ito lang guys, ang gusto namin sabihin sa inyo. You guys, mga Gen Z, sobrang lucky ninyo na kaya nyong may mga kayo, may mga loop kayo na 1 hour, isang song lang. Kami noon, umaasa pa kami sa mix. Tas kapag may maingay pang kapitbahay or kamag-anak mo, talagang sira yung kanta.
Imagine mo nakabisado ko ang Toxic by Britney Spears, the original music video. Kakanood lang yon ng mix daily top 10 at weekly top 20.
Yes, oo.
Closer to you. Who'd have thought that I'd breathe the air, spinning around your atmosphere. I hold my breath.
Ang smart ng gumawa ng na to. Ng lyric video. Grabe.
Don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer.
Oh!
Like a fairy tale. Ending, take my heart. This is
my heart is yours, my bias.
Okay. This is hindi to, pero ito na nga, may pinsan akong kinanta to dati, tinawanan ko.
Bakit?
Kasi parang inch by inch. So, this is a very simple, ito totoo to, no? Napakasimple nung kantang to na kinakanta to sa karaoke. Palagi. But it's very difficult to nail because paano mo kakanta yung inch by inch na very pakilig in its original tone na hindi ka mag-iitsura ngongo. Ay, pinsan ko kasi inch by inch by. So, yun lang.
Baka naman may influence ng
streaming. Best. Ito may song na lang sobrang simple pero it's very difficult to make it a very beautiful rendition. Yung mic.
I'm moving closer to you. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale.
My heart.
Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you.
Oh my God!
I'm moving closer to you.
Galing!
Closer to you. Closer to you.
Kung itininda ito ng Warner Music Philippines, baka pwede nyo na i-Christmas gift sa akin. Gusto ko tong songbook na to, promise. Pag hindi, magpapaprint ako sa
nagalaw-galaw. Steady mo lang.
Ipin na lang kaya ulit natin.
Ipipin ko sa'yo. Masyadong magalaw yung sa'yo.
Sanay kasi siyang ginagawa mo yung mga mga.
Di mo ako sisimulan, sis. Ganito may pink drink ako. Go! Simulan ba natin, Hari, ang daragan tonight?
Go na.
Pero yun nga, grabe. Oh my God.
Pogi?
Parang parehas kami ng jacket ni Philip. Pero alam ko yung akin ay knock-off lang. Hoy! Maganda! Ganun eh! Give me close and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer. It's like a fairy tale. Effortless yung pagkanta niya. I'm moving closer to you.
Tayo lagi natatahimik na lang tayo.
Ang ingay nyo! Charot. Break my fall and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And they take my heart. This is the moment. Moving closer in. Body is where moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. Okay, take my heart. This is the moment. I'm moving closer.
Well, I just have to say na parang pwede siyang mag-hang out with Chris Lawrence at saka with JR.
Yung kay Chris Lawrence, yung JR na lang.
Hindi, pero I'm just saying, di ba?
Problematic yun.
Pero di ba? Pero, alam mo na, parang napaka-smooth.
Gusto ko lang mangyari after this, magkaroon na agad ng commercial for itong version na to. Pero, papayag ba kayo na
magkaibang kumpanya yung Warner tsaka Close Up?
Papayag ba kayo na ibang product na yung gagamitan?
Hindi iconic.
Best pa rin na close up siya no?
Hindi, ganito na lang. If
Colgate, gaga baka naka-trademark na rin sa kanila yung kanta.
Hindi, ganito na lang. Identified na siya sa close up. Mm-hmm. I think, pwede naman kunin si Philip ng close up. Pero ganito yan, no? Parang, siguro, kuwari, let's say, for example, no, sumali si Philip sa Philippine Idol. Tapos sasabihin, ang tema ng ating linggo ay ang mga kantang sumikat sa mga commercial. Tapos siya yung nag-perform nito. Mm-hmm. Let's say, di ba pa yung mga tema yung mga Philippine Idol every week. Tapos kuwari, closer kinanto niya. I think he will be the winner for that week. Ang ganda ng niya rendition niya eh. Suwabe lang, not over the top, hindi niya binago yung totoong kumpas.
Actually, I'm feeling ko medyo nagbago siya.
Oo, pero
pero it was his own rendition without changing too much.
Oo. Parang it's still the classic tune that we know, 'di ba? Kasi parang, bakit yung lagi may thumbs up? Hindi ko alam, research ko pa, no? Pero, naalala mo yung parang kay David.
Baka akala niya idol.
Kay David Cook ba yun? Or David Archuleta? Yun yung parang
Always Be My Baby.
Always Be My Baby. That is the risky one na parang,
kinonvert niya to male version which actually worked. Parang nobody, some people actually didn't know it was Mariah's.
Tsaka Lips of an Angel.
Hindi pumatok yung version na yun Lips of an Angel ni David Cook. I think as ang mas nakarating talaga sa lahat ng tao
Always Be
My Baby.
Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung ganong classic song,
And that is my go-to karaoke song.
Yeah, and Mariah, diba? Nung parang, yun yung tinake niya kasi si Mariah was the guest during that week. Parang yun pala yung mga classic songs na gagawin mong male version or gagawin mong into your own tune. Sobrang difficult pala yung to nail.
Ako galit ako sa American Idol, talo si Jessica Sanchez.
Di pa rin ako makamove on dun.
Parang Janine Tabanon ba yan?
Oo. Liga Kulpo. Ew.
And I believe walang overkulot sa ginawa ni Philip.
It was very clean. Pero yun, nakita nyo naman ang reaction namin. There's not much to say kasi this is not a really technical reaction video.
Yeah.
Much as I think ang gusto nyo rin naman na mapakita namin is how we're doing it first time watching it. And yes, it is the first time that we're watching it. So, thank you very much for staying with us sa pagnood ng Moving Closer by Philip.
Yeah. Yeah, we're very thankful, of course, with Warner for giving Philip this song. I think, syempre, may mga selection pa yan, whether who yung mag-interpret nito among our talents.
But may Linux de Arizona dun.
Oo.
Ilabas mo yun.
Akala mo magpansin dyan. So, yun na nga. So, parang congratulations, Philip. It's a good... And, this could open a lot of doors for Philip also. That, mali mo, may Star Cinema rom-com film. Alam mo naman, Viva film na lalabas. You could top Philip. Pag may remake...
Direk Cathy, baka naman.
Yes, Direk Cathy. May parang top Philip for a possible box office hit again na magiging ingrained yung OST sa isang pelikula, Get Philip. I think, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Well, congrats din kay Philip na parang sa branding niya as a Philip, 'di ba, talagang heavily underground yung mga nilagay niya talagang nilabas niyang mga piece. So parang ito, parang inopen niya yung Philip as different side niya. So kudos. So, congrats kay Philip or kay Ken.
And how can they support our channel, sis?
Yes, you can support our channel through our GCash and PayPal account. You can check the description below. So, ayan. How can they follow us, sis?
You can follow us by following us at Twitter at Matt Valdevilla. It's the same with Facebook and also...
Ano at Matt Valdevilla?
I'm at Matt Sourty. Sorry, personal account ko pala yun.
Gusto ka pa rin bigyan ng personal account mo. Sino bang viewer natin? Yung last week ba?
Hello.
And that's it. I'm your sugar spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
This is Harry.
And this is Matt. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. Bye.